Hey guys, this is the Creator James. I am creating a new tool called WebSocket Minecraft. This will allow you to host servers if you can't port forward or you can't buy a host. This will kind of bypass port forwarding and simulate a host. It'll give you a frequent IP that your friends can connect to. So, let's do this. So, to start out with, if you want to host a server, this is for you. So, you go to c9.io, which is Cloud9. It's a programming environment, and it's free. OpenShift also works, and I'll create a tutorial on that. Anyway, you click Create New Workspace, and then you give it a name, and you click Node.js here. So, I'll call it Minecrafting. Yeah. So, we'll load that, and we'll wait for the finished processing. Now, I want to clarify, this is free, and you'll want to use Cloud9 if you're new. However, if you're a bit better, I'd recommend OpenShift. Okay, I'm waiting. Okay, created this Minecrafting thing. I need to wait for it to finish processing. I'm going to pause. Okay, finished processing. I'm going to click on it and click Start Editing. Now it's going to give me some default stuff, and this default stuff is stupid. So, we need to delete that. Here it is. So you click on it, select it all, and then delete it. Yes, I want to delete it. So then you can click on this folder and click Upload. And then you go in here, click Files, and then you can upload your WebSocket main server, which is one of the only things you need to upload besides this folder. So you say upload to this folder, a complete folder. You select node modules, you click OK. So that'll take a while. I'm going to pause. But before I pause, I might as well show you the configuration. So to configure, it's really easy. You just have one thing to change, the password. So I'm going to change it to something like dinosaur. Now I'm going to save it. And now we'll wait. So it just finished setting up. So what we'll do is we'll click on this and click Run. So it'll say server bound, it'll confirm that everything worked. And now you want to copy this. Copy link address. So in order to host a server through this, you'll need to modify this bat file. Now I'll have a Linux and Mac setup guide too, but I made bat files for Windows users to make it more simple. So you just kind of paste over it and replace it with WS instead of HTTPS, and then save. So what you want to do is you want to double click on this host me file, and you'll type in your password. So the password was dinosaur. In the port, we get that from hosting. So I already have a LAN thing open, so it's on port 50127. You could also do this with a normal server, but for demonstration I'm using LAN. Server accepted this as the Minecraft server. So, I want to send this over to my friend and get him to join. And he'll be able to connect. Before he connects, I want to show you this thing confirms that there's a new host. I'm just going to pause until he does connect. Oh, he just connected. Like literally a second after I paused. So what this tool does is allow me to host through that IO website, and they use the connect tool to get here. It requires no port forwarding, and it allows you to host a Minecraft server quite easily. And I'm doing it over LAN. Now I'm going to let Wolf host, and we'll connect to him, and I'll show how the client connects. I edited the connect me thing, and now we're going to click connect. Remember, this is just putting in the IP address. So it'll give you instructions. Open up Minecraft, connect to localhost 18888. So now I should be able to connect to his world if he did it correctly. I'm not sure if he did. Oh, that's because he used the wrong password. So he's going to fix that. Notice that it didn't say new host right here. That's because it didn't confirm him. So now he's going to do it correctly, and we'll see a new host. Okay. So it just told me that there's a new host, which means he typed in the right password. Now we're going to connect. Yep, he did it correctly. So now we're on his LAN world, on his server. When there's an initial connection, it's slow, but it quickly speeds right back up. Not sure what the issue is. Phil also has terrible internet, so that's part of it. But now everything's working correctly. And as you can see, we hosted a server without port forwarding through WebSockets. Thanks for watching.